Okay, we're going to thread it. You get that, just sweep that through there. Then you come down here in those little slots. Take it there. Okay, come to the other side, Jacob. Bring it down under. And then you're going to just tap that little thing and see how it catches back there. And you bring this up. Move your needle position up. Through there. And this, I always have to use two hands. Go like that. You see that? If not, I'll do it again. Okay. Well, I already have the machine on. Okay. Just turn it on so we get some light over here. You can zoom it in close on the, you getting it? Might take me a minute or two to get it threaded. Okay. Now I'm using green thread so it'll show up. This is 2 layers of flannel. Okay, you can see it's beautiful stitching. Sews like a charm. Now I have it set for the stitches very close together, but you can adjust that, play with it, get longer stitches. That's that. Pretty much that. Now